What's up guys, it's Spencer here from Grinder Services, coming at you with a video today about how to grow your business. 5 tips to help you grow your business faster and more efficiently. Riding one of these with moccasins on. Don't judge me, alright? Don't judge me. Alright guys, number one is setting goals. Setting long-term goals and also short-term goals. Maybe a short-term goal is you set a goal to, in the next week, make $1,000. A long-term goal, maybe your long-term goal is to buy a truck, buy a nice new truck. Maybe your long-term goal is to buy a trailer. Maybe your long-term goal is even to just get 5 new customers this year. Something like that, but long-term goals and short-term goals put together are a great way to help you grow your business. You kind of have to make it a game. Number 2, guys, is to increase your online presence. Whether that means creating a Twitter page, creating a Facebook page, starting a YouTube channel. There's tons of things you can do online, making your own website, driving traffic to that website. There's so many different things you can do online to help grow your business, and that's kind of a way that marketing is going. With the growth of the online community, you really have to start getting an online presence in order to grow your business faster. Number 3, guys, is expanding your services. Whether that means whether you're a lawn care landscaper, whether that means expanding to hardscaping, maybe doing some bigger landscaping jobs, learning how to do that, maybe learning how to put in aquascapes, maybe learning how to put in, like I said, ponds and waterfall features, learning how to do different things, expanding your business. That just gives you opportunity to book more clients and book more people, because you have less of a chance of someone calling you and you saying, no, I can't do that. Number 4, guys, is learning how to expand your profit margins. So this means that, let's say you do higher quality work now. You've been in business for a little while. You feel like you're doing high quality work, so you feel like your time is worth more. That means you can charge a little bit more. That expands your profit margins. Another thing is learning how to be as efficient as possible, using your gas as efficiently as you can, maybe using the yard book lot measurement tool and measuring out a lot if it doesn't look too sketchy and too many hills and that kind of stuff. Maybe using the lot measurement tool to, instead of having to go out to a client's house and measure everything out, you could give them a quick estimate without having to drive out to their house, and that can save you gas and time. Maybe that also means searching for the best deal on a piece of equipment that you have to buy, or maybe trying to look for discounts, maybe going online and doing your research on the piece of equipment that you're buying, instead of buying a piece of equipment just because you like it and you like how it looks. Maybe looking online and seeing if there's maybe a cheaper option that would work just fine for you, or maybe finding out that piece of equipment that you are thinking about buying maybe doesn't have the best reviews, so that ends up saving you money in the long run. Another way that you can save yourself money is just by getting into a groove of time management, learning how to do better with your time and make more out of your time, using your time more wisely and more efficiently. And number 5, guys, the last one for this video, is just learning to love what you do and making it a game. If you're having trouble being motivated to grow your business, make it into a game. Make it I have to get 5 more clients this month, or a consequence. A lot of people like playing video games. Make growing your business into a game. I mean, there's plenty of ways that you can do it, and it's fairly simple, and it makes growing your business way more fun. It makes all the work that you're doing so much more fun. And just always remember that everything that you're putting into your business right now is going to help you in the long run, and it's gonna make you more proud of yourself in the long run. If in 10 years down the road, 20 years down the road, you can look back and say, I worked really hard on my business to get where I am today. Instead of looking back on your business in 20 years and thinking, wow, I wish I would have put everything I had into my business back then, because I could be so much farther ahead right now. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this short video here, just giving you a couple quick tips. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Always do what you guys love, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.